Ladies and gents, welcome, welcome. 10th of February, Varanasi, 30 degrees, 3 p.m. I'm gonna make a short video to show you the modern buildings in Varanasi. Just a short one because phone is dying after 20 minutes from heat and I'm losing the footage. Sorry guys, dust. Got some computer business, optical glasses stuff. Oh my god, do I see Muchi Muchi? If somebody from England is watching, this is my new cute word I've learned in England. Muchi Muchi means like looky looky, have a little look. On a market, fruit vegetable market. Oh, I love it. Let me take a picture, guys, for Instagram. Muchi muchi. So Varanasi has all sorts of shops here, as you can see. My gimbal is not really behaving today, so the footage is a little bit more shaky than usual. I don't know. I just don't want to start a video over. Since we are doing only 15 minutes anyway, so you'll have to suffer. And as I said, I didn't come to India to see these kind of things. For me, this is extremely boring. And that's the last thing I want to see. Coming from England, you know, England is full of these kind of things. I didn't fly across the whole planet to be seeing these kind of things. But for people traveling here, I'm here for the donkeys and monkeys and, you know, cute stuff, exotic stuff. Ooh, hola, hola. But for people traveling here who might feel better and in their comfort zone, seeing these kind of buildings here and these kind of shops. You know, I'm not that kind of person. I couldn't care less. I never go to these places. I'm not rich. But it might make them feel better knowing that, you know, they've got some luxurious designer shops here they can go to. So, and local people always write me, they want me to show the modern parts of the cities. So here we are, me doing the boring stuff. This is Dayal Tower where we are. Sorry guys. You see this contrast? You just saw some Samsonite and shops like that. Then we come to this kind of barely bare structure made with bamboo. Big contrast here. We've got some lake full of snakes going on. That's what I imagine. I had a guy approaching me with cobra yesterday. If I would like to pay to see the snake show, you know. So when I see a lake like this, I always imagine that's where they get the snakes. Let me cross over. Let me try to see. Oh, it's so busy. I can't. Oh, coconuts.
Hello, madam.
Hello. I can't get any closer, but you got the idea. There is some kind of temple going on the other side. Let's see. It's a nice color, this one. Can you imagine how many snake shows there could be happening if they fished out all the snakes there? I'm joking, guys. I don't know if cobras even live in this kind of environment. I'm being stupid, but I need to entertain myself somehow. He's got red feet. This guy, no socks but red feet. It's like, wow, some paint or henna. I can't wait to have these kind of coconuts. I don't like the coconut water, but these kind of, oh my gosh. On my way back I'll have to get one. I don't have the hands to eat it now. Oh wow, look. I can just see a little bit from here. Oh, people are coming. There are some nice drawings on the. Look at that car full of roses and stuff. Somebody's getting married. Oh guys, I obviously can't speak here, as you can hear. I'm coughing more than I'm saying something. So I'll be quiet. Shouting over the traffic, it's exhausting. Especially since I'm not okay, so I'll be quiet. I'm not gonna go this way, I'm gonna go back on the main road. But it's nice to be in a quiet environment for a minute. Look at this masala dosa here. We had we had dosa yesterday with my friend. I took a picture of him having it on his plate, and oh my god, I've had, I don't know, 200 masala dosas in my life altogether. I'm guessing, of course. But what they gave us was not that. My friend was ordering, so maybe they misunderstood something else. Because this one was dark green and had peas in there, was very spicy. That was not masala dosa what we had. So I have to take him again for the real deal. I would love to see that thing there. How do I get in? Do I have to take my shoes off, or do I pay something in there? Hello. Hiya. Can I come in? I can come in? Just 1 minute, I want to see, okay? Thank you so much. It looks very beautiful. Thank you. The color is gorgeous.
You are YouTuber? You are YouTuber? No. No. India is very nice place. Oh yeah. Humidity is more. You making video?
I don't want to speak to anybody right now. I'm sick. I can barely speak at all. My footage is definitely shaky. Something is not okay, but such is life, guys. I'm gonna end it here. I need to drink some water. I got dust in my mouth. Sorry guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, bye.